Hey, 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 hey. What's up, my people? How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Not welcoming. Come on in. Come on in. What's up, guys? What's up? Morning, Steven. Morning, Scott. Scott, I probably need to get with you, actually. Tyrone, what's up, dude? All right. As people are joining here, let's go. I'll message you. I'll message you. Let's build out the watch list. So I think Shop has some potential for TLM. Oh, these are already in there. Oops. I'll just move them out. Meta I like for TLM possibly. Uber, I could see it. Tesla, I could see it. Google, I could see it. Amazon, I could see it. SPY. Maybe. I could see it. I could see it. NVIDIA. IWM. So SPY and IWM, really trendy. We'll keep them on, but gonna need to see some stuff go in our favor. QCOM, don't mind it. Qs, I doubt we get it. AMD, no, probably no shot. Probably no shot on AMD, unless if we short. I don't really want to short AMD. MU, again, probably just shorting Netflix. Let's take that off. Still in a hood swing, up pretty good there. I think Microsoft has some potential. Yeah, for sure. Apple, maybe short side. Let's have to see how the market plays out first couple minutes. Meta will probably rotate within the first 3 minutes. Always happens. Got about 1 minute till market open though. But yeah, I want to keep it nice and chill. Oh, this still has I have a Dr. Pepper can here from a few days ago. It still has some Dr. Pepper in it. Almost drank it. So yeah, let's just sit tight and see what happens here. Let market open and let market settle. Here in about 2 minutes, we'll be able to really trim down this list. So don't get too caught up on this list here. Yeah, so Hood, just a quick look at Hood. So really good swing setup here. We have downtrend, change in trend, right? Waited for a retracement and then targeting below that next supply. Should be a really good trade. Took the same type of setup on PLTR. That actually was a loss though. I actually ended up losing that one. Now I could have had my stop down here. That would have been acceptable. And maybe this stop holds, but I'm honestly fine. I took a little bit of risk off there with that low. So it is what it is. Just take an L on that. But again, 50% win rate with 1 to 5R type trades, it's really good. Shopify came way up. Meta's probably dead. Uber probably dead. Okay, Tesla's coming up for maybe a potential rotation. Google, man, Google's going to be Amazon. If we can pull back, yeah, come into demand, bounce off demand. If we can pull back on Google, I really like this setup. So I'm going to go ahead and set up an OCO here for something like there. So that's going to be for Google. Let's go ahead and set up an OCO where we're entering long at 368. The best these 368.42 for markets close. Hey, just a reminder, markets close Friday for Juneteenth, FYI. I forget about that. $1.80. I'm gonna go ahead and enter market now. Go ahead and enter market now. Let's see how this plays out. Not looking great now, but really good fill. My fill is like almost down here. Okay, so I'm in Google. That was fast. It dumped quicker than expected. But let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get a close inside. Buyers are present. Now, I'm not really playing any type of break of structure, right? But I'm just playing demand bouts. I'm playing where higher time frame trend is up, right? And so just looking for that acceptance. Now could be a quick loss, but really good risk reward, really, because of that massive dump. So at or above. So if you don't take this, hey, no worries. But, or if you want to be a little bit more patient, wait till we get better acceptance, that's fine too. Stop is 366.6. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, Walmart could be good. Walmart could be good for sure. Let's see if we can take out supply and pull back. And waiting on Google here. Really just playing for this low to hold. I think we have a good setup there. Yeah, Walmart's kind of that same kind of thing, right? We have I'm going again rapid fire, but we got a nice little 15-minute demand. Boom, bounce, come off of it, react. We do have supply kind of blocking us here. So if we can kind of hit this supply and start to accept, I really like a trade around here. But I want to make sure, I mean, we've basically cleared that. So let's see if we can get some form of acceptance. Let's see some time inside, and I really like Walmart, right? Let's see some time inside, and I really like Walmart. Ideally, we break that high and pull back, but again, just time inside is also enough. So let's just see. Let's give it a couple minutes here. Get a couple candle closes, and we should be good. See if Google can come back in. I don't really think I like SPY. NVIDIA I really like. So NVIDIA is going to be like a break of 208.80, but we're going to need this low to be our new low probably for a rotation. It's still tight, like it's tight. So we're going to need to see price action kind of come in our favor here. Yeah, we're going to need to see price action come in our favor. We're going to need to see, then maybe take something like that. Walmart just crossed there. Okay, now let's see if we can get a nice little pullback. Let me just see what is a 50% retrace put us at? A little high. AMD is going to be done. I don't love that we haven't broken that, but I love everything else about this setup. We could be in a higher time frame downtrend though. I love this setup. I'm going to be patient on this and wait until this high breaks. I'm just going to be patient on it. I do like this setup though. Google might be an L here. Unless if we stay inside, like Google, I wish we would have stayed inside a little bit more. So Google's going to be an L here. Google's an L. Man. Really, actually, surprisingly small loss. 178. Wow. Yeah, definitely, bro. I think that's kind of what happened. Is going to happen. Dude, can you hear the crickets? You can hear the cricket. Like, it's literally, dude, it's so annoying. I'm surprised you can hear that. Let me see if I can get it up. It's somewhere like outside my door, but that's insane that you can hear that, actually. Yeah, so I want to be careful here. Let's be careful here on Walmart. Dude, that's crazy that the mic's picking that up. I freaking hate crickets. That's like the one bad thing about having like this to be an exterior door. Crickets are like my worst enemy. I live in like the middle of the town. Like I don't live on a farm. Oh my gosh, that's funny. Dude, why is it? That's crazy that it's picking that up so well. For Google, we'll look to re-enter if we can come back inside. Walmart, yeah, I think Walmart kind of that same thing. That's actually crazy. Thank you for saying something. You're starting to make me go crazy with the stupid crickets, bro. Yeah, I see what you're saying. So we say that you just put a candle here, helps me visualize. We have high, low, lower low, break, pull back, boom. Yeah, I like it too. I think we're in we're in kind of this downtrend on Meta though. Well, you could argue both ways. And this is why I don't love trend lines, because you can always argue both ways. Look at that. We're wedging. Ooh, Robinhood's ripping. This is why I love swing trading, dude. Like, I freaking love swing trading. It's such a nice, like, addition. Yeah, that's the one thing. Same for me, dude. NVIDIA alert just went off. Okay, sweet. NVIDIA's setting up here. We just don't have good R. So this will be our stop. So if we can pull back, okay, if we can pull back to there, so 208.57, I really like this trade. I really like this trade. Go ahead and enter market now. Should would have closed in there. That's okay. Not really in any type of trend, just really just chop, 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 chop. Again, high, low, high. It's not a low. Boom. Start to trend upwards. Dude, you're kidding me. Can't buy a bucket today. It's crazy. I think we'll be okay. There's nothing like crazy like earnings or something, right? Yeah, it should be fine. Should be fine on NVIDIA. Wish that candle would have closed, but that's okay. I like it still. Let's make sure there's nothing. Oh, FOMC today. There we go. That'll do it. That'll do it. If we break this, we're gone. If we break that, we're gone. We don't. Probably no. But again, best way to trade: set target, set stop, remove yourself from the trade. Walmart's still holding nice here. Let's see. Ooh, Shopify looks good, but there's no stop. No, I look at trend for sure. I look at trend. But the broader trend would tell me that we're up. So that's why I'm long, right? The broader trend is telling us long. If we break this, Netflix isn't bad. We just have supply. So really trendy day yesterday. Really trendy day yesterday. So we want to see that trend change. Like we're still in like that lower time frame downtrend. Lower lows, lower. We haven't made a higher high yet. Right. So we want to make sure we want to make sure we make a higher high. And so we're trending upwards. NVIDIA also might just chop. So like it's pretty much it's chopped all day yesterday. It's chopped all day today already in 15 minutes. It chopped all day Monday. Well, it chopped all day Monday, then dumped. Chopped all day Tuesday. So this could be a, again, on my general rule is FOMC days. Hey, I'm going to be out of trades by, at least one, or definitely by the time he talks on day trades. So we'll see. And if it's trash, it's trash. Oh, Shopify, man. We had to stop. Netflix, I think, can be really good. They need to take this high out. Come on, NVIDIA with the fake outs, man. Does NVIDIA have like earnings? No. It is kind of weird though. Like if we look at, like, why is it trading like this? Like let's look at last week, right? So Tuesday we had a good trend day. Wednesday was choppy. Thursday was choppy. Monday was choppy. Tuesday was choppy. Like I wonder it's kind of weird. Yeah, appreciate that. Hey, if you're watching, go ahead and give this video a like for me. And if you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe as well. I always, obviously, we go live every Wednesday, but I also kind of repost the live. Also, we edit it up, edit all the pointless stuff like the crickets, stuff like that out. You can always watch it back, learn from it, take in the content, try to provide good, solid content. The cricket's going off again. Come on. Where you at? Just watching video. I'll get with just watching this. Let's see. It doesn't look like anything else is really setting up. You talking about like in the Forex side? Or are you talking about what? Is there a ticker, or are you just talking about like the Forex side? Bro, it's ridiculous. What goal are you talking about? Gold spot. This? So you need to make sure if you're trading gold that you're trading it with only regular trading hours. If you're doing TLM. If you're not doing TLM, then it doesn't really matter. But can you still hear the cricket? Bro. I don't know why my mic's picking that up. Let's go, baby. You just talking like market structure, bro? Let's go, baby. Come on. I'm not seeing it. Let's go, NVIDIA. Push, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not seeing the cricket. It's outside, though. It's annoying. Push, baby. Push, baby. Push, baby. Dude, I legit think crickets are the most annoying bug. Like flies are flies, but you can like typically see them and kill them. Like they don't annoy you if you can't see them. But crickets, dude, they're the worst. Maybe if we keep talking about it, we'll be quiet. Dude, that's another thing I was looking at too, John. Like, that's why I'm kind of upset I got stopped out. I really think like even there's this, but yeah, dude, I might look to like re-enter that. Seriously, come out, break its side, stops here. It looks really good. It really does. It looks really good. I'll probably take like something like that, or sorry, probably down to here. It looks pretty good to me. Seriously, it looks pretty good. Something I might set up later. Uber. Yep, if Uber can come up, it's at supply now. Would like to see it. So we got high, we got low. Would like to see higher high, lower low, break. Okay. Come on, NVIDIA. Just playing with us, man. That's what I think is going to happen all day. It's just going to chop. SPY. So SPY, you could take something like this. I don't love it, but I don't think it's worth taking, really. Yeah, I don't think it's worth taking. Probably just right on NVIDIA. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the swing for PLTR. Let me get rid of these drawings. Go ahead and set up the swing for PLTR. So we got balance zone, boom, right? Had it to the short side. Now we can play it back to the upside. This move took 2 weeks. I'd probably give us a 65 days-esque. There we go. Stop is $9. Yeah, go ahead and enter on PLTR. Get my money back. All right. Oh, looks like NVIDIA just hit stop loss. My gosh, bro. Let me double check that, but I think that's what happened. Frustrating. Where's the... Okay, got PLTR all set up. Yeah, we dumped? The heck, bro. Yeah, I fear just NVIDIA is going to chop. NVIDIA is going to come back up here. Let's just be done with NVIDIA now. Variance taking its toll. What brokerage are you on, Romello? Or what are you trading on? Yeah, super sucky on NVIDIA. So your trading view, paper, right? So it's pretty easy. You just go here. Okay, like let's say you're just in this trade. Let me just sign into paper trading. Right. So okay, let's say you enter this trade, boom. Okay, let's just say we enter. Maybe if we enter, why is this saying select price isn't valid? Bro, what? Can you not paper trade option or stocks on this? Why is it not? Why is it not filling? Why is it not filling? Okay. Okay. Right. All right. So you see this take profit stop loss, right? All you have to do is drag that to where you want your stop to be and drag this to where your target. That's how you do it on paper trading, right? On here. On a brokerage, it's going to be a little bit different, but this is how you would do it if you're trading shares, paper shares, forex, futures. It would look a lot like this. If you're trading options, it's going to look a little bit different. You're going to be trading off the option price, right? So it's a little bit different, but this should give you a good breakdown of how to do that. So this one's your stop loss. This one's your buy. Where's the setting? If you just hit right here, this little plus sign, or you right click, buy, you can set up your order. Might look for like one more trade if we can get something. But you know, that's how you do it. So we go ahead and close that for profit. Boom. And we made money today. Robinhood is just ripping. I love to see it. Just ripping, bro. Yeah, I think Nvidia has gone in the water. Goo's gone in the water. Hey, but that's a good problem to have, right? Take a loss and you were wrong. That's way better than take a loss and you just had your wrong stop, or it feels way better. MGC. I don't even have that ticker on my. Oh, that's why. To the downside. Is this MGC that you're talking about? Jim's long, Gabe short. One of you guys should be winners. I can see both sides of it, really. I mean, if you entered at 4,325, maybe you're on a different. Yeah, you're probably on a different one ticker. I think Robinhood's still ripping. Wow. Really, with gold, you guys could both win. Like, yeah, it doesn't look like. Biggest profit day trading. It's probably like a 2K, 3K day trading wise. Swing trading, like I've had crazy days, but I don't know if that's really fair to say. Like some days have just been crazy where it's like, like because multiple trades that I've been in for a long time line up. But day trading price probably like a 2K, 3K, 2 to 2.5K day. That's really the craziest. Really, it was same thing I'm doing now, right? Same risk. It was just that specific day it went 4-0, 5 or 5-0, right? So same trade that I took like on Google and Nvidia, but they both hit. So like with Google and Nvidia, if these both would have hit, with Google stop loss was a little bit tighter, but like if Google would have hit, that would have been $600. Nvidia hit, that would have been 1,000, right? And so that would have been a $1,600 day, just like that. And so really, big days come doing the same thing over and over and over and over and over again, and then having the probability just line up that you happen to win both the trades that you take, or 3 or 4 or 5, whatever. What you don't want to do is get caught in like, my goal today is to make 2K, right? Because you're going to be at 1,800 and you're going to blow up. And so again, I've just learned, hey, take it with a grain of salt. Take the wins as they come. Losses are going to happen too. It's inevitable, but you're going to have big days when you're gonna have big red days or big green days. It just depends on how the averages average out. So that pretty much comes down to it. Like today, for example, lost like $600 on day trades, but I'm up on the day $800 on Robinhood, and I'm up now $150 on PLTR. So for the day, I'm actually profitable, right? And so that's another piece of having multiple streams, right? Having multiple things moving, having your money move, and doing things throughout the entirety of the day, to where those red days on day trades, they make up for green trades, and then vice versa. Is that helpful for you guys? Does talking about that make sense to you? Should we look for some swing setups? And there's nothing else to day trade for like 5 minutes. Let's look at some swings. Let's look at some swings. So different types of swing trading that we do: balance theory and supply and demand. Let's see if there's anything on these tickers. Uber. I like Uber for a swing, looking at this. Right, Uber. Bro. We have down, 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 down. Nah, we haven't really made that higher high yet. If this low would have held, I would have liked it. But I'd like to see this high break. So no. Tesla maybe. Coming down. Come out of it. Would have been good, like right here. Look at that. Look how those patterns repeat itself though. Downtrend, come out of it. Low breaks high. Pull back 50%. Boom. Right. Would have been a great trade right there. That would have been a great trade. Let's like kind of zoom in here. Let's see. See if you can have anything in the now. See this high and this low, they didn't break yet. So, but that could be a good setup. Amazon's trending nicely. When's their earnings? End of July. Do we have anything in the short term? Kind of stuck in between here. Well, hey, we have high, low, high, low, high, low break, pullback. This could be something. That could be something. Or you could even target a little bit further up to like this supply. Something like this. I like that. I like that. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, I like that for a swing for sure. This will be like a 2-week type swing. Spreads are kind of wide, but there we go. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So I got some nice swings setting up. Let's go through this here. And again, by swing, I don't mean like it doesn't have to be like a year, like a leap. It can just be, it can also be um, to tomorrow. Obviously, we have FOMC today, so be careful. But I like this also on Axon. Let's check the trend. Well, yeah, I like this downtrend. Come out of it. Nah, well, I'd like to see this could be a fake out here. Yeah, I'm gonna stay away from Axon. Not out what? Not out what? Out of what? Ooh, McDonald's. Got high, low, high, lower, low, break. Pull back into there. Yeah, that could be good. We get a nice pullback on McDonald's there. Yeah, I like it. Oh, oops. Oh, yeah, I didn't. For what ticker? Amazon? Yeah, I like McDonald's a lot, actually. McDonald's, we're in an uptrend on the 4-hour. Lower time frame, we have high, low break. Yeah, I really like McDonald's. Dude, this is crazy. Played these target balance theories last year? No, 2 years ago and 3 years ago. This one lost, this one won. This is crazy, bro. Actually so crazy. It's still, like, trading at that same area. Crazy. Yeah, I'll build out a better watch list. These are all there's no setups on these. McDonald's would be the only one potential setup. Yeah, McDonald's is nice. If McDonald's can pull back, really good trade, I think. Really good trade. Yeah, really good trade. You just pull back. Well, guys, any other questions? Anything else you need me to look at or go over? If not, hey, I appreciate you guys hopping on. Got some good swings setting up. We'll keep day trading away every day. But that's a good swing setup. And again, hey, just remember we do have FOMC. Yeah, awesome, Jim. We have FOMC today, so just be careful. Okay, just be careful there. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on school, in Slack, whatever, and we'd be happy to get any of those answered. Outside of that, appreciate you guys hopping on. Make sure if you don't, make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe, and would love to see you guys next week. All right. See you guys next week. Appreciate you guys hopping on. Peace.